Hey there, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we're literally prying open the black box of corporate recruitment to hand you the exact insider blueprint for landing a highly competitive internship at Tokio Marine Malaysia. By the time we wrap up here, you are going to have a crystal clear, actionable strategy to position yourself as their absolute ideal candidate. So let's just jump right in.
First up, we've got to ask, are you truly ready to kickstart your career with one of Malaysia's absolutely leading insurers? Because look, joining this program, it isn't just some quick resume patter. It's a rigorous, deep dive introduction to the realities of the insurance business. And honestly, that requires a serious level of readiness and ambition on your part way before you even start drafting that cover letter.
All right, moving right into Section 1, Inside the Internship Experience. Let's quickly discover what the day-to-day reality of working at a top-tier organization actually looks like. Okay, so here's the deal. You are definitely not going to just be fetching coffee or doing mindless data entry here. You'll be actively working right alongside seasoned industry professionals on really challenging hands-on projects. So, for your application, what does this mean? It means you absolutely must highlight past experiences where you took real initiative. You've got to show them you're totally ready to roll up your sleeves from day one and actually thrive when given real responsibility.
Which brings us to Section 2. What recruiters actually look for. Let's break down the exact filtering criteria they use to weed through applicants and find the top tier. As a baseline, you absolutely must be a student at a Malaysian higher learning institution. That's just the non-negotiable starting line. From there, their expectation of excellent academic results, well, that proves they're specifically hunting for candidates with the intellectual capacity to grasp really complex insurance concepts, and fast. Oh, and remember, intakes are highly dependent on availability, so timing is literally your secret weapon here. You got to apply early.
But grades alone just aren't going to cut it. Your application must actively demonstrate proven leadership and top-notch communication skills. And hey, the absolute key word here is demonstrated. Please don't just write "good communicator" on your resume and call it a day. Point to a specific university project you spearheaded, or maybe some complex research you presented. Because you're going to be collaborating directly with pros, your ability to actually speak up and clearly articulate your ideas is totally vital.
Basically, Tokio Marine is looking for a real dual-threat candidate, someone with both adaptability and aptitude. Adaptability means you don't just freeze up or get flustered when corporate priorities suddenly shift, which they will. Aptitude means you've got a super quick learning curve for whatever specific department you're in. Here is a massive pro tip for you. In your application, highlight a time you had to quickly pivot or learn a completely new skill entirely from scratch. Boom. That covers both bases in one really compelling story.
All right, Section 3, Making Your Move and How to Apply. You've got the blueprint now. So follow these exact steps because honestly, following instructions perfectly is kind of your very first real test of attention to detail.
First, address your application directly to the Human Resource Department. You really have two pathways here. You can send your polished materials digitally to their recruitment email, or if you want to make a more traditional, physical impression, you can actually mail the whole shebang to Level 20, Menara Hap Seng 3 in Kuala Lumpur. Whichever route you end up taking, just make absolutely sure your application reflects those core traits we just went over.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, I'm going to leave you with this final, absolutely vital question straight from their own careers page. Do you have the aptitude to thrive and actually secure this incredible opportunity? You've got the insider blueprint now. You know for a fact they want hands-on learners, excellent academics, crystal clear communicators, and highly adaptable leaders. The next move is entirely in your hands. Take a look at your resume right now and really ask yourself, does it tell the story of someone who is ready to thrive at Tokio Marine? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and hey, best of luck with your application.